Hey everybody, this is Brandon Lee with Virtualization How To, and came to you with a video yesterday discussing Windows 11 installation in VMware Workstation and how it would fail if you did not pass through the TPM device. Well, I had a fellow vExpert post out a blog post detailing a registry hack that actually bypasses the TPM check. So, all of us have known that we've been able to install the preview version of Windows 11 without issue for quite some time now. So it's obvious that they have turned a flag on of some sort to start checking for that TPM device properly with this GA release of Windows 11. Well, as it turns out, there is a registry key that controls that behavior, whether your Windows 11 machine is checking for a TPM device or whether it's not. So I want to detail again the behavior that you experience when that check is in place. So I'm going to just try to install Windows 11 Pro. And as you can see, we get the expected message. When we don't have a TPM device, this PC cannot run Windows 11. Well, let's look at the hack. So to bring up the registry, to edit the registry while setup is running, you're going to hold down Shift and F10. That's going to bring up a command prompt. Then what we do is we can just simply type regedit as we've always done. Now, the registry key that we want to look for is HKey local machine. We're going to navigate to System, Setup, and here we're going to create a new key. So we're going to call this key, as it must be called, lab config. Now, we need to create a DWORD entry. So we're going to create a DWORD 32-bit value, and this is going to be called bypass TPM check. I'm going to hit enter, and now we need to change the value of the data field to a 1. So change that to 1. Now all we have to do is simply X out of the registry editor, X out of our command prompt, and X out of the Windows setup. And what this will do is just simply take us back to the install Windows screen, which is what we want. So now we can say install now, click Windows 11 Pro, hit next, and now we have the expected behavior that we want. Windows 11 now is proceeding along with the ability to install without a TPM device. And this is Windows 11 GA media that we're demonstrating this with. So simply click next and your Windows 11 install is progressing as expected. I hopefully enjoyed this little tidbit, registry hack that allows you to get around the Windows 11 TPM check with the GA media. Well, I'm Brandon Lee. Hit like on the video, comment, and as always, subscribe to the channel, as we'll be continually posting new technology, virtualization, cloud, security, you name it, videos on the channel. See you guys soon.